is his balance lost? Watch how he moves. The effortless power you get from mobilizing your fascia is something I've learned training under renowned Shifu for close to a decade. Now, training high performers who are top movement coaches on Instagram, I'm going to share with you what they pay for free. So if you are a top performer who appreciates this knowledge, stay locked in. What happens is that triggering this point in my feet, which is known as Yongquan, allows for internal momentum traveling from the feet to the hands, but from my hands it goes into my training partner and he loses his balance. But how is this associated with the fascia? When the muscles are tense and stiff, it's brute force versus brute force. But when the muscles are loose, the fascia is mobilized, and power from this release is not based on brute force, but on release. This is about the central nervous system, calming the mind and not getting caught up on fight or flight, but neutralizing this, centering the mind, which physically manifests as more loose muscles. And so you can mobilize the fascia as you open the body. But how do you calm the mind? You sink the chest to release and round the upper back. Energy is released down the front and rises up the upper back, moving to the limbs and extremities. This is the method of release which can be cultivated through training like standing meditation. And you as a high performer can benefit from this. Like my clients, even if you're not a martial artist, a calm central nervous system, loose muscles, mobilized fascia guarantees not just power but also being able to operate effectively. So access your free standing meditation tutorial in the link in the description, open comment, and get started now.